Are you dreaming of finding a peaceful, tranquil retreat in Guanacaste, Costa Rica? Today, I'm presenting my newest exclusive listing, a 2-bedroom home perched in the hills above San Pedro de Santa Cruz, Guanacaste. The location couldn't be more ideal. In addition to having this view of the absolutely picturesque Guanacaste countryside, you're only about 45 minutes drive from the Liberia International Airport. You're less than a kilometer away from a paved highway, and you're a short drive to some of Guanacaste's best beaches. Tamarindo and Langosta are just about 30 minutes down the road. You also have quick access to the amazing surf breaks at Playa Avellanas and Playa Negra. And Playa Junquillal, my community, is just a short drive as well. As of July 2022, this mountain retreat home has an asking price of $430,000. The property has a 1.4 acre parcel. That's 5,000 square meters. You've got a pool and rancho here to really enjoy the outdoors. And you also have a couple of terraces that could accommodate future construction if you wanted to add guest houses. This is a home that looks like it belongs in Guanacaste, rather than that cold, clean, modern look that you're seeing from a lot of new construction here in the area. The home features hardwood ceilings, cabinetry, and closetry throughout, and the warm Guanacaste feel that really brings it to life. The first story of this home is an open floor plan, kitchen, living space, and dining room. The second story is the master suite, which really brings out the home's incredible view. You can lay in bed here and look out over the picturesque countryside and really enjoy the best that Guanacaste has to offer. If you want to know more, send me an email at matt@cbpacificrealty.com. Thanks for watching.